Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can fix the SOS Only message on iPhone. So first advice that I have for you is, well, kinda obvious, but I figured I'll still mention it. Try moving to the area with better cellular coverage or cellular connection, since more often than not this error message is, or should I say, can be attributed to the fact that your mobile connection or cellular coverage is not sufficient for the device to provide you with, well, decent calling opportunities or, well, calling experience, should I say. Anyway, another thing you can try is toggling the airplane mode on and off. So open your device's control center by swiping downwards from the right half of the status bar. Then open the network settings and toggle the airplane mode on and off. And well, to begin with, make sure that it is switched off. Another obvious but still method or thing you can do is reboot your iPhone by simultaneously pressing and holding the volume up and power buttons, sliding the, well, toggle to the right to switch off the device. Now wait a few seconds for an iPhone to shut down all the way, and now simply press and hold the power button. Let your finger go once you see the Apple logo on the screen. And while we wait for the device to boot up, the last advice that I have for you is that you try contacting your cellular network provider or, well, carrier, to put it simply, since real often you will find that this issue is laying on the carrier end rather than yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.